Yeah.
Put it here. Just one slide.
I put mine on like the back.
Put it halfway and
Yeah, I do it like
roll
that.
it up. Like this. Like a lumpia.
Eh,
Hi guys, so we're here now with Adrian and I just made the palacinke. It's one of his favorite. And we made I think 8 pieces of palacinke, right? So right now we're going to put some Nutella and roll it up, then we can try to eat it.
Yay.
And okay, you can have this. You can have this one. So here you just put on the other side. You know how to do it already.
Yeah.
And I'll do mine. So basically just put one scoop, right? Not too much.
Yeah.
Put it here. Just one slide.
I put mine on like the back. Put it like on the back.
Yeah, that's how it is. Like just spread it like this. Okay. And then
Oh, come on.
just do it like this.
Okay.
And then you fold it halfway and
Yeah, I do it like
roll
that.
it up. Like this. Like a lumpia.
Hey, one more.
You have to put this underneath.
Oh, under
It
it.
doesn't unfold. There it is. Okay, let's do everything.
Yes. But who's gonna eat all?
We're gonna eat this all.
How much can I have?
You can have 2.
Reasonable. That's my kid.
How many? The patata, he can have 2.
Maybe.
Sometimes you can put like some fruit, strawberry, banana, whatever you want. I used to like to have a banana in here too, but
Really? Since when?
the first year when I learned this, when I learned how to make it. Or you can also put med or honey, just drizzle with honey and crushed walnut or you can do that. Or jam. Michael likes to put some jam.
Michael likes to put med on
med?
Palačinke.
Before she likes jam, like
That's
tomache
fine.
that she makes. And the last one,
Where would the last one go?
do the honors.
Taste it. Oops.
Okay, now it's time for food taste. Adrian, with me, Adam, and then you can try.
We'll try this one.
Okay.
Everything's Nutella.
Just bite it. Is that good?
Very good.
Yay! So it's easy peasy how to make this. I'll put the recipe on the description below. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.